Hi, my final project for 301, I made a flip book and I'm going to read it to you. And as I go over each strategy I have in my flip book, I will show you each page and then read them to you. So the flip book is on the 6 strategies implemented by effective educators. Our first strategy is verbal feedback. And this strategy, the teacher emphasizes each student's effort and growth by specifically explaining what a student did well on a task. Our next strategy is being proactive. This strategy, the teacher takes steps to become aware of what could potentially go wrong or cause disruption in class and preemptively takes action to avoid such scenarios from occurring. For example, the teacher might confer privately with potentially disruptive students to review classroom expectations, or they may seek out information regarding incidents that have occurred outside of class that may affect student behavior. Our next strategy are bell ringers. As their name implies, bell ringers are activities at the very beginning of a class period that students are to engage in as soon as or even before the bell rings. For example, a teacher might have his or her students answer a brief question written on the board. Next, we have holding informational conferences. This one, informational conferences, unlike formal academic conferences, allow teachers and students to chat without students projecting expectations onto the meeting. During informal conferences, a teacher might give compliments, ask for student opinions, mention student successes, and pass on positive comments from other teachers. Next, we have structured grouping. This strategy, the teacher designs and implements structured group activities that feature both individual and group accountability. Individual group members carry out specific tasks and responsibilities while working together on the final product. Structured group activities deepen and extend students' understanding of a topic. And our final strategy in our flip book is individual learning goals. The teacher asks students to identify something that interests them during instruction and create their own personalized learning goals during a unit. The teacher helps students connect their personalized learning goals to teacher-identified learning goals. So all 6 of these would be implemented by effective educators. Thank you for watching.